There are 7 little things women naturally do that men quietly adore, even if they never say it out loud. And yes, I'm speaking as someone who knows how men think far better than most people admit. But before we jump into the fun stuff, we need to acknowledge the real problem many women face. You try to understand what men appreciate, yet it often feels like a confusing game where the rules change every week. A lot of women assume men only notice the big things, the deep conversations, the romantic surprises, the dramatic gestures. So the small everyday things you naturally do, they start to feel invisible, and that becomes exhausting. It's effort without acknowledgement, intention without feedback, presence without any visible impact. Here's the truth most women never hear. When you don't know the small things that actually matter to a man, you end up investing energy in the wrong places. You overthink texts. You question your actions. You analyze moments that never needed analysis. And all of that creates emotional confusion, the kind that leaves you feeling lost without a map. If this mismatch continues, a slow tension builds. Not dramatic, not loud, more like a tiny leak in a tire draining the connection bit by bit. You might find yourself wondering, does he even notice the effort I'm making? And he, on the other hand, thinks he's showing appreciation in ways you just can't see. This is how misunderstandings grow. This is how doubt replaces excitement. Not because the relationship is weak, but because the signals aren't being recognized. But here's the good news. When couples respond to the small bids for connection, satisfaction rises. Stability increases, not because of grand gestures, but because of tiny moments that carry massive emotional weight. So let's shift to the part that brings relief. Men notice small things far more than women realize. And when you understand these 7 subtle behaviors, everything becomes easier, more natural, more connected. 1. Your laugh, especially at his not-so-funny jokes. Men love making a woman smile. Your laughter tells him you're doing something right. It's tiny, but it hits deeply. 2. Small acts of appreciation. A simple, "I like how you did that" goes further than you think. Men thrive on acknowledgement. It makes them feel seen. 3. Asking for his help. Not because you can't do something, but because it lets him feel useful. Men bond through action. These little moments activate his instinct to support. 4. Showing genuine excitement. When you light up about something, he feels it. Your real emotion pulls him closer because it's authentic. 5. Soft, natural physical touches. A gentle brush of the hand, a small lean toward him. These subtle touches build closeness faster than big romantic gestures. 6. Sharing small personal moments. A cute memory, a tiny story from your day. These moments feel intimate without being heavy. They make him feel trusted. 7. Playfulness. Teasing, joking, being a little silly. This keeps the relationship light and alive, even in long-term bonds. All 7 of these things are already part of who you are. You don't need to try harder, you need to notice the power you already carry. When you lean into these small gestures with intention, the entire connection shifts. He engages more, you feel more valued, and the relationship naturally rises into an upward spiral of connection. The solution is simple. Lean into the little things. They matter more than you think.